kokot. Ty kokot.
Ty vole!
Wow.
O do piči, o do piči.
Som si ju vôbec nešiel, kámo,
A ja.
trafili sme srno.
Твою налево.
It's got the padding on the clip.
There's no padding in there. We'll put it in here.
Oh shit!
Baby! Holy fuck, what car is that?
That's a freaking Lamborghini.
You're fucking kidding
He
me.
lost control in the freaking rain. I'm gonna...
They were so relentless that people started going into hiding.
At the time, the threat level was literally unknown. He was very stressed out. It's like the extra security they had to hire to
Fucking heck,
relocate
dude.
the CIA director and then the deputy director of the FBI.
Call me back up in the morning. She said, I thought I told you not to call me. I put her there, you wanna put it on me.
Oh, fucking hell, dude.
Like you ain't saw me. You let me know that's
Jesus Christ.
what you want.
Warte mal ganz kurz, hier ist gerade ein Unfall. Warte mal, oh Scheiße, 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 oh Scheiße. Wow, Alter, alter, fuck. Sein Jaguar hier.
On the same team, and oh Jesus Christ! Oh my God!
Beings in this world who are neither human nor codes, something related to both. You call them the faceless immortals. Contra, Wax said. Like Tensoon, the Guardian, or the person who gave me this hearing.
Go on! It was. I took a picture. She's it. Yeah, he 100% is. I was following him. He's going towards, he's going northbound on Markham Road.
Bro's turning out for you. Bro, like, oh my God.
Green light, idiot.
Bitches.
You ain't get the first fucking memo? Let's record that. Don't. Pay the fucking attention, girl. Oh my God.
Probably didn't have an internal water source, or if she did, she was, there's a good chance she didn't. I guess by 40 you would have. But you think about the time, how life was different for a housewife back then. She had to cook every meal. She had to clean every meal. There was no
His face grew determined, but Pavara felt Androl's disappointment. Logain had been given fork root. Either that or he was simply too tired to channel. Not surprising, Pavara had seen women in better
What
shape
the
than
fuck
this,
was that?
who were too worn out to embrace the sword.
Woo! Woo!
In between? Wow, what is that?
It's a rocket.
No, but the thing is, it broke.
Whoa!
It broke. Ah! Oh shit. Oh shit, this guy is not paying attention, man.
Damn!
Damn. Thank
Sweet. You fucking stay, you little bitch!